Yo, what's up guys? I'm Xiao Gang. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Omega Professional Moonwatch. So in this video I'm going to show you what I received when I bought the watch, some later, some small free gift, and how it looked like when you are getting a new the collector grade model for this professional moonwatch. So yeah, the reason I will do the video on the floor is because the box, okay, is seriously it's fucking huge. Yeah, it's we can see here the weight is 3.5 kilo, okay, 3.5 kg. Seriously, this is very big and very huge. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so basically this is the thing. Inside is some of the thing, accessories, and I free. Yes, maybe it's a free gift. I get it from Omega when I bought the watch. So yeah, this is the just Omega magazine. Okay, nothing much here. See, okay. What the paper pack is also one of the free gift from Omega. Yeah. Okay, and this is the catalog. Yeah. So they're given together. Okay, it's very nice. We can see all the model, the latest model from Omega in this booklet. Very nice. Yeah, this is stunning piece, the Speedmaster, with a new coaxial master chronometer, the movement, the caliber 8009. Yeah, okay, and 8008. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a highly anti-magnetic caliber. Okay, of course the Planet Ocean, and last but not least is, yes, this is the one, Omega Speedmaster Professional. This is basically, this is the one I bought. Okay, as we can see here, the first watch worn on the moon. Yes, very nice. Is some later, yeah, the spec is list at the bottom. It's very nice. Yes. Okay. So yeah, very nice. And I had a very special, yes, this is the one I love, the Omega service pouch. It's not a pouch, it's actually a leather. It's quite heavy, quite you know, like quite hard. It's like a sunglasses pouch. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, this is a free gift also. Yeah, when the one when I bought the watch, and of course this is the one with the watch is put inside the, this, for how we say is the traveling, yeah, okay, the plastic box. Okay, and this is the receipt. Okay, so nothing much here. So let's put it back. Okay, yes, this is the one. It's fucking huge. Okay, let's see. Okay, so basically this is the thing. Okay, we had the outer box. Okay, just a very a common outer box, and inside we have a big, wait, let me get it out. Yes, 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 wait. Okay, yes, so nothing here. Okay, as you can see, so let's put it aside. And oh man, oh my god, we still have a, you know, yeah, we have another cover here. Okay, very nice. Oh, this is very huge. Okay, there's nothing here. So this is the one. It's very huge, very heavy. Okay, so let's see. So what we got here. Okay, we have a Speedmaster logo. Okay, this is basically this not a wood. It's some kind like you know, We have some sponge inside over here, all the side, all the place here. Okay, it's a very thick cover, the box. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, what we got? This is the one. Yes, very nice. It's very heavy. Oh man, my god. This is one of the biggest watch box that I've seen at the moment, and other than the Hoyer, the Tech Hoyer that we can see, if you know the one, yeah, it's like a shoes rack. That one is fucking huge. But other than that one, if you guys know which watch that I'm meant to, I mean the Tech Hoyer. Okay, this is really fucking huge for that Hoyer, the Tech Hoyer watch. But this is one of the iconic model that from Omega, that one of the biggest box that I seen at the moment here. Okay, so what it got here, we have the pictogram card. Okay, we have the international guarantee certificate. Okay, over here it's very nice. It's at the back here. Okay, so what we got here, so it's basically nothing. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so this is all talk about the moonwatch. Okay, as you can see, and this is for the leather strap. This is a manual instruction guide to teach you how to change the strap. Okay, so nothing down here. Okay, okay, so basically that it's for the box here. Below, yes, there's nothing. Okay, let's have a look here. This is the one, very nice. Let's take a closer look. Yes, very nice, very heavy. Oh man. Okay, basically it just look like this. Yes. Okay, very nice. Let's open it up, man. Very nice. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Very nice. Alright, what we got here, we have the operating instruction manual. As usual, it's very thick. Just like, yeah, any other or the Omega model, we have this one, operating instruction. Okay, what we got here, we have the sponge. Yeah, just took it out. And we have a, yeah, I will show you guys. So basically, how is the quality of this one? Yeah, you can see it's very nice. It's a thick, okay, very nice quality, very heavy. Okay, what we got here, let's open up. Okay, we have the micro glasses. Okay, and we have a extra tool strap. Okay, over here, and I have the tools. So basically, this is a real collector grade model from Omega. All the accessories and everything is original, come when you bought the watch. So it's very nice. So one of the NATO strap, okay, is here. So basically, when you bought the watch, you have a you have the bracelet link attached with the watch, and you have another 2 extra strap. It's very nice. And we have this one, very nice. Wow, the design of the glasses is also similar look like the watch. Very nice. This is a little bit soft, yeah, soft like anti-slip rubber. Very nice. And I have a extra spring bar, and of course I have a tools over here. Very nice. Let's try to look at the tools. Wow, nice. Okay, so this is a steel. It's very hard, very heavy steel. Okay, you can see here, this is the tools. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, so this is all the thing we had, and I had a it's very heavy logo, Speedmaster. This is steel. I'm not sure this whether it's a stainless steel. Never mind. Okay, it's a metal. It's very nice. Okay, and I had a watch over here. Yes, the retail in Malaysia, the price is 18,900 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, it's very nice. Had a tag. All right, this is yes, very nice. The feel. So basically, this is the watch. Let's take a closer look. Very nice. Let's try to wind it up. Very nice. And side by side. This is the model that come with the headlight crystal. So it's very nice. It's very the dome. It's very beautiful. It's very heavy vintage feel. It's very nice. The crown with a Omega logo. Okay, and I have a solid case back. Of course, if you want a see-through display back, easily you can find some aftermarket. Okay, I mean through eBay or yeah, somewhere around online, you can easily find the display see-through case back for this watch, just like a Rolex. So of course, I will choose the solid case back because of the you can see here all the word is embossed. This is very collectible. Okay, and still very nice. What I got here, Omega Speedmaster Professional. Okay, what I got here, stainless steel. Yes, stainless steel. Okay, so basically this is the watch. Let's try play on the chronograph. Start. Very nice. This is caliber 1861. Okay, it's actually a base on the Lemania. The history. Let's reset. Very nice. The pusher of the feel of the pusher is very solid. Okay, based on Lemania. The history of this movement has been used long back to long time ago, and since under absorbed by Swatch Group. So basically, Swatch only use the Lemania, this kind of movement in the Omega watch, and you know some like Brigade, the Type Triple X, yeah, you know. So yeah, it's nowadays is very rare we can see in the market. So it's a manual winding chronograph movement. So it's very highly collectible because nowadays, if as we know, not much chronograph and manual winding chronograph we can you know we can seek in the market. So and this is a very iconic. The watch won on the moon, qualified by NASA. It's very nice. 42